Good morning, everyone. Here is Lagos, Nigeria. Today, we will like to show you how the SAKO solar system powers the villa. This villa have 3 floors. The main building have about 7 rooms, and the small building about 2 rooms. Each room has air conditioners, about 1.5 HP air conditioners. We also have a kitchen, have a lighting, freezer, fans, etc. Before this villa is powered by generator and utility, you know here often suffer from power shortage and cut off. But the problem of generator is too much noisy and need frequent maintenance and need constantly add the fuels. Now the fuels also very expensive. And before this, they also installed an old solar system with tubular batteries, 8PC222. The problem of this system is short backup times. Even 8 PCs fully charged during the daytime, and at the nighttime even just power 2 rooms with 2 HP air conditioner totally. They cannot last it for 2 hours. After that, they installed the SAKO solar system. Because we have too many rooms and air conditioners, this solar system is a little big size. With 3 pieces, 11K SAKO solar inverter, and about 50 kWh batteries. Because the solar panel, we use about 16 pieces, 550 volt. Yeah, this is the system configuration. Now, 3 pieces in parallel connection. The middle one is a master. Now we check what's the status. Now this system will work. You can see the battery is fully charged, but now it's discharging because the utility cut off again. The load is not too much. Here, this is the output. Yeah, output. Because in the morning, just lighting. Yeah, this is battery voltage, about 56. This is output power, about 100 watt. About 2% of the rated power, the total load. Yeah, you can check every parameter here. And regards the battery, this battery is SAKO new lithium batteries with new cells. Because to save the power, we make the screens shut off. And here you can find the parameter and the amperes. Yeah, we can check every parameter from here. System status, parameter settings. Yeah, we can also check the status of each cells. Yeah, you can see the working status, even 1 year already, but it works very fine here. System setting, etc. Because at that time the stock here don't have a bigger size battery, so they use 10 pieces, 100 ampere. Now we have more option, like we have a 15 kWh batteries, we have a 30 kWh batteries by 1 piece. So if you need to install the SAKO solar system, you can select the bigger size batteries. No need so many wiring. And we have a warehouse and service centers here. So if you need to install your solar system for your homes, you can contact with our Nigeria teams. Thank you.